In today's video, I'm going to teach you mXEN Airdrop Withdrawal Swap and Trust Wallet. By the end, you'll know how to make the token visible in your wallet, withdraw your airdropped mXEN to Polygon, and swap it for Matic or USDC inside Trust Wallet. Start by opening Trust Wallet and tapping the toggle icon in the top right corner of the main screen. This is where you control which assets show up in your list. Search for mXEN. If it doesn't appear, that's okay. We'll add it manually so your balance displays correctly. Choose Add Custom Token. Set the network to Polygon. This is important. mXEN here is on Polygon, so make sure you're not on Ethereum or another chain. Paste the official mXEN contract address for Polygon. When you paste the correct address, the name, symbol, and decimals should autofill. If they don't, double-check the contract from an official trusted source before saving. Save the token and make sure it's toggled on so it's visible in your wallet. Remember, adding a custom token only lets your wallet display the asset. It doesn't create or move funds. Next, withdraw your airdropped mXEN from the airdrop bot to your Polygon wallet address in Trust Wallet. Copy your Polygon address by tapping your Matic asset and using the receive option, or copy your main wallet address if it's the same for all EVM chains. Paste that address into the airdrop bot's withdrawal field and confirm the withdrawal. You'll need a small amount of Matic in your wallet to pay network fees, so top up if necessary. After the transaction is processed on Polygon, refresh Trust Wallet and you should see your mXEN balance appear under the token you just added. Now it's time to swap. In Trust Wallet, open the dApps or browser tab. Navigate to Uniswap or SushiSwap and connect your wallet when prompted. Ensure the network inside the DEX is set to Polygon. Select mXEN as the token you're swapping from. If it doesn't show up, import it by pasting the same Polygon contract address. Choose Matic or USDC as the token you're receiving. If this is your first time swapping mXEN, you'll be asked to approve the token, confirm the approval, then proceed with the swap. Review the quoted rate, check price impact, and adjust slippage only if your trade isn't going through. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to finalize on Polygon. Once it's done, your Matic or USDC will appear in Trust Wallet. If you don't see USDC, enable it using the same toggle you used earlier. And that's it. You've added mXEN, withdrawn your airdrop, and swapped successfully, all within Trust Wallet. Stay safe, verify contracts, and never share your recovery phrase.